Day 16, path to a 10K payout. It's a great day to have a day. Uh, Another winning trade, 491 today. Let's go over it. Going into market open, we kind of had this range that we were trading in on Nasdaq, along with the S&P. As you can see, we kind of broke out of the range to the downside on the S&P, while on the Nasdaq we kind of broke above it, but we kind of stayed in the range more than we did on ES. So while ES was creating this downwards move, Nasdaq was staying higher, telling me that we were going to want to push higher on Nasdaq, especially after this 5-minute inverse on the S&P. That is when I officially switched my buys to longs and I started looking on Nasdaq. We had news that came out at 10, creating this large candle to the upside. We did inverse this gap, but I guess I wasn't too worried about it because it was like a news gap, so we had to fill all the price in here. But in doing that, we created this bearish 1-minute gap. Again, we were still in a 5-minute uptrend, and then along with that, we inversed this 1-minute gap. That's my entry, targeting. This was kind of a high 15-minute wick. Maybe news. I don't know what caused this wick, but high 15-minute wick, and then these 4-hour. I think they're 4-hour highs. Yeah, 4-hour highs up here. So yeah, entered off the inverse, stops or break even point. Well, stop loss was at the bottom of this candle body. Like I said, TPs were up here. Break even was at this internal high. I did go lighter size on this because we were kind of in this range the whole time, so I wasn't like too 100% confident. I would say this was kind of like a it was kind of like yesterday. It was kind of a B plus setup. But as soon as we took out this internal high, stops went to break even. I was quite literally, let's measure this out. I was 3 ticks, not even a full point away from getting stopped out of break even. So that was definitely really close. And instantly reverses because I'm built like that. And smacks both TP1 and TP2. So it was hell of a day. This was another perfect B plus setup. This would have been like an A plus setup if like I was looking for longs near market open right here. So if we would have, oh my god, if we would have came up and inversed this 1-minute gap on like this candle or this candle, we probably would have taken out the highs right then and there. And that would have been like an A plus setup because we're coming out of this 1-minute fair value gap. We had just broken structure to the upside. We were within this 5-minute order block. That would have been like an A plus setup for longs, but didn't play out. Had to wait all the way up until 10:07 to enter. So patience won today. Patience most definitely. Can I drag this, please? I can't drag it. Patience most definitely won. And yeah, we're on I mean, I want to count yesterday as a losing day. It was break even. So we're on a little bit of a no loss streak. As long as I keep trading my strategy and then I can't be mad because I'm trading my strategy, and if I lose, then I'm sure there's a reason I lost. Um, and that's a learning experience trading my strategy. And that is a good segue into what I want to talk about today. I have, I don't want to say I've learned this because I guess it's only been like a week. Um, Trading your own, like finding your own strategy instead of trying to copy all of these mentors. Do I think mentors are good? Yes, absolutely. To hone in on what kind of wide strategy you like to trade. So like I like trading continuations now because of the people that I've learned from and watched on TikTok. I've never bought a course, but that's doesn't matter. I've still learned through TikTok, through free content. I've learned all the concepts and how people trade theirs. The problem with trading other people's strategy is you'll sit here and I'll sit here and I'm like, fuck, is this a good entry? Like is TGR taking this strategy? Is PB trading taking this trade? It's not good for your mental, and it's not good for your psychology, and it's just not good for your trading overall because you're gonna start to either overthink and enter everything that you think is a good entry when it's just not, just because you think that TGR or PB trading or someone else is taking this trade. So when you kind of create your own strategy, not only are you like only entering when you know it's a good entry, but that gives you so much more confidence in your trading capabilities because it's like how do I even explain it? Um, it gives you a lot more confidence in your trading capabilities because it's just you just know when you enter and when you don't. You just know. Like you're not questioning is this person taking the trade because you are that person. I'm not questioning, oh, is this person going to take this inverse fair value gap because I'm that person and I'm going to take it. Um so creating your own strategy based off of like branching off and creating your own strategy is so much better than just trying to copy someone else's strategy. Buy a mentorship if you have to, or learn from free stuff, that doesn't matter, but like start to create your own strategy. I cannot stress that enough because I spent just over a year trying to copy trade other people, not copy trade, but try to trade other people's strategy that didn't work for me, and I was losing over and over and over again and over again. But now that I'm trading my own strategy, it's like night and day. So moral of the story is create your own strategy. That was day. Let me check what day that was so I don't mess it up. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. I think it's day 15. It's day 16. So that was day 16. I hope I said that at the beginning of the video. I really do. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 17.